I'm really excited about today's video, and for a couple of reasons. One, because we have another pair of John Lobbs in the house, and as you can see, they need a lot of work. But there's another reason that I really think today's video is going to be special. Guys, you know we enjoy working on all of the shoes and boots that are sent in to us, but if it has a story behind it, those are the ones that we really enjoy, and I think a lot of you do as well. Now, this pair of John Lobbs was sent in from a viewer, and here's what it says. Dear Trenton and Heath, I found this pair of John Lobbs at a thrift store for $7.65. What a deal. Unfortunately, they don't fit me. They will be a perfect graduation gift for a young man that helps everyone in the neighborhood. He's a great kid that doesn't have a ton of money, but he is wealthy beyond calculation with his positivity, love, and kindness. Now, the young man's name is Jamie, and Jamie, we are going to get this pair of shoes looking great for you.
All right, so as you see, there was a hole. What happens when you do that, your foot pushes on the insole until it wears through the cork, wears through the sole, and there's a big bubble right here. And the kid who's gonna get these is gonna fill this. So the best thing we can do, other than replace it, which he doesn't wanna replace it, is to wet this and just try to hammer it out onto a piece of metal. My ears are ringing now. Are yours?
So the good thing about this pair of shoes is they're in really great shape. We took the cork out of both of them. The gimming is in perfect shape on both shoes. So all we're going to do now is we're going to pull the old stitches out of this welt and then recork these and continue on with the resoling. Okay, so we're doing something a little different with this shoe than we do in a lot of our other videos. Now, you guys have watched us possibly in a lot of other videos where we always do hot cork with the hot iron and all that stuff. And we get comments asking, you know, why don't you do sheet cork? Well, the answer is we do use sheet cork. Now, the thing about it is you can use sheet cork in this business, you can use hot cork, and both of them are used interchangeably. A lot of large shoe manufacturers out there, you name the brand, most of them are using hot cork. It's just fast to put on, and they can move on from shoe to shoe to shoe to shoe. A lot of shoe cobblers and bespoke shoemakers use sheet cork. And both of them are cork, both of them are going to serve the same purpose, and today we're using sheet cork. so I broke off, some of the larger pieces around the welt, and I'm gonna take this little tool and just shave it down until it's nice and smooth.
All right, so a lot of asked about the dog. Y'all want to meet her? All right, let me get her. Annie, come here, girl. This is Annie Oakley, and she is a German Shorthair Pointer. She just turned 3 years old about, how old are you? A week ago? Yeah, about a week ago. She's our shop dog.
Okay, I am going to go ahead and dye the soles. Now, normally we have a spray gun, and spray gun kind of allows for, texture and whatever, your mind can be as creative as it wants. A little harder because it's out of commission. So we're just going to do this old school. It's a John Lobb. John Lobb generally keeps their things very simplistic, and that's what we're going to do with this sole. So let's get these stained and then move on. just gonna take these sharp edges off real quick. And then after that, we'll get these nice and polished. Add some conditioner to the shoes. Add a little shoe cream to make them look nice. And then that will be just about it. I want to leave a little bit to the reveal at the very end. I don't want to show it all to you now. So anyways, let's get these nice polished up and then we'll be done. All right, we're just dusting these off. The leather's in really good condition. I'm still gonna throw a little conditioner on there, let that soak in. Then I'll also apply a little bit of shoe cream, let that soak in, buff it off, and then these shoes will just about be ready to go. Now, one of the things that I didn't mention earlier, and everybody loves a feel-good story. It's one of those things I feel like in today's world, we don't get enough feel-good stories. It's always bad news or whatever, and you know, it can be a little depressing every now and then. So I just wanted to share a little bit more while I put this conditioner on about the young man who these shoes will be going to. Now, according to the gentleman that sent these shoes in to us, the young man's name again is Jamie, and he basically went from being homeless to he is now starting his freshman year in the nursing program at one of the universities in his state. And I just think that is super impressive, and I just wish him all the luck in the world. It's always great to see someone work really hard to improve their situation, and I hope these shoes help him out. Okay, we're done with this pair of John Lobbs, and we're excited to show you guys what we did. But before we do that, it's been a while.
It has been a while.
Yeah.
It's been busy.
It's been very busy. Again, it's flip-flop season, it's summertime, and for a lot of you guys that don't know, we also have another business called Southern Polish. We sell men and women's flip-flops and sandals, and we are slammed, so hey.
Luckily we have Forrest, because Forrest has really been stepping up and doing a lot of the work, and then we come through and help him do a lot of the details, but he's getting good.
He's getting very good. So, you know, it's, you know, we're slowing, well, I wouldn't say we're slowing down, but hey, we're here. We're going to start putting out more content. We appreciate you guys hanging with us, and, you know, we're excited. But hey, just want to let you know too, we do have a lot of really cool video ideas coming your way. And one of the things that Heath and I have been talking about is incorporating you all into our videos. So I think that'll be fun. You know, a lot of you guys want to see reaction videos and whatnot, and because most of our business is a mail-in service, so yes, you guys can mail your stuff into us. We're going to have to play around with some things, but a lot of our videos that are going to start coming out, it's going to be fun. We want to have you guys in it. So if that's something you would enjoy, leave a comment down below and let us know your thoughts on it. Sound good?
Sounds good to me.
All right. Hit us off. What do we do this pair of John Lobbs?
All right. It was a very basic resole, but John Lobbs are a very basic, I hate to use those, you know,
simplistic.
Together. Yeah, they're very simple, should we say. Elegant, but simple. And so we didn't want to do a lot of the frills, and we just wanted to, you know, keep them streamlined and basically what they would originally look like. So it was pretty basic. We put on some German Pit-Tan soles, put on some combo heels, did some tack action. We did put some Lulu toe taps on the front, and then just went with a dark brown, simple finish on the bottom.
Yeah, it was very simple, and
inside was in great shape.
Yeah, everything was in great shape about this shoe.
Yeah.
I mean, again, the guy that bought these got them at an insanely cheap price. Awesome find on his part, and everything was in great shape. And again, really big shout out to this gentleman for being so kind to give them to this young man who he said is just a fantastic young man. Great character, jovial, just he's a great person in the community, and he wanted to do his part to give back to this young man, and we were so excited for him, and I hope he likes the shoes. I mean,
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, who wouldn't want to start off with a pair of John Lobbs?
I wish I had when I was that age.
Yeah, no kidding.
I didn't.
But anyway, so that's it. Guys, again, check us out, southernpolish.com. Grab yourself a pair of flip-flops. Summer is just, we got a couple months left. It's hot. Grab yourself a pair. And also, check us out at potterandsons.com if you want to send in your footwear. So, that's about it. Until next time, y'all have a good one.